Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we will do the questions based on minus 8's big friend's formula. What is the big friend formula of minus 8? It is minus 10 plus 2. Where I will apply this formula? Where in my questions I won't be able to do minus 8. Okay, we will do the B row in the class. A row is your homework. So B row, first question. Add 4, now add 6. Do I have enough beads to do 6? No, right? So I will apply the formula of 6, that is plus 10 minus 4. 6 is added. Now, minus 8. The formula that we are learning today. See, do I see any beads to do minus 8? Like I didn't had beads to do 6. Similarly, I don't have beads to do minus 8. So, the formula of minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. Then again 2 because it's in the question. So, my answer is 4. After applying the formula, when I say next, that means I am moving to the other number in the question, okay? And when after writing the question we are doing next, that means next question, okay? Now next question, add 7, add 5. No beads to do 5 here, okay? So formula of 5 plus 10 minus 5. Minus 8. Again, no beads to do minus 8 here. So formula of minus 8 minus 10 plus 2 plus 5. It's there in the question. So my answer is 9. Next question. Plus 6 plus 5. No beads to do 5. So formula of 5 plus 10 minus 5 minus 8. No beads to do minus 8. So formula of minus 8 minus 10 plus 3. Now plus 4. No beads to do plus 4. So formula of 4 plus 5 minus 1. My answer is 7. Next. 10 minus 8. Do I have enough beads to do minus 8? No. So my formula for minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2 plus 1 plus 8. No beads to do plus 8, so plus 10 minus 2. My answer is 11. Ma'am, I get confused in minus 8 and plus 8. What to do, which formula to apply? I've already told you, when you see a number that has minus with it, that means your God will be minus. See, this number has minus with it, the God is minus. If this would be plus, our God would be plus. So, half of the formula you can get just by guessing from the sign of the number you are stuck on. Okay. Last question now. At 10 minus 8. Do I see beads for minus 8? No. So formula of minus 8 minus 10 plus 2 then plus 9. No beads for plus 9. So formula of plus 9 plus 10 minus 1. Now minus 8. No beads for minus 8. So minus 10 plus 3. My answer is, sorry, minus 10 plus 2. My answer is 3. I hope it was clear, guys. Okay. Now, I'll see you in the next class. Until then, you will complete your A row in the homework and drop the answers in the comments. Okay. Bye bye.